Join us for Chapter 3, our third and final video of our trip across the U.S., the Southern Route. Well, sometimes you don't get the coolest spot to camp in, but when you're in Oklahoma, you're kind of limited. We're out of here. On our travels south through Texas, we decided to check out the Dallas Aquarium. It's a pretty cool place to check out if you've never been. Be sure to secure and lock up all valuables when parked there, though. This aquarium has multi-levels where you can start up at the top where the rainforest canopy is, and you work your way down and you go underwater. It's really cool. They have a lot of aquatic and rainforest animals to check out here. We left the aquarium and we're headed south. Well, we're out here taking a swim in the ocean. We are in Galveston, Texas, and the water's super warm. Pretty nice. There's our hotel for the night. So it's day 7. I think, and we are at a hotel in Galveston, Texas, and we are parked in this parking garage type situation. Nice that nothing got stolen today. Yesterday we were at the Dallas Aquarium, and Cadence and I got all our clothing bags stolen. If you liked any of my clothing on this trip, you should check out Craigslist in Dallas, Texas. Some loser might be selling it along with a couple $1,000s worth of other stuff. And we made it to the Ragin' Cajun airboat tours.
Where the hell? What is on the boat?
So these are the airboats that we're going to be taking out into the swamps. And here we go. We're pretty excited about this. And here's the first alligators we've seen in the wild.
Look, I don't mind telling you that's extremely hard root system.
Let's head out deeper into the swamps. Picked the perfect day for this. It was beautiful out. These boats are pretty awesome, the places you can go with them. This is a pretty narrow channel right here. There's a lot of alligators around here.
What was that? Where they hang out, how they behave. it's kind of hard.
Well, that was a lot of fun. Now we're headed back to the dock. So we just finished up an airboat ride in the swamps at Raging Cajun Airboats. It was pretty awesome. But no one told us we were going to get covered in mud. It was pretty awesome. Definitely recommend it. And we made it to Pensacola, Florida. We're just gonna head out to the beach. So we just got over to Florida and we're gonna go do a little surfing. And there's not a single wave out here. But we'll still have a good time. Here's Cadence waiting for a wave. Cassidy found a small wave to catch. It was cool seeing the dolphins swimming around in that area. We're just looking for a nice place to have dinner now. And once again, we're looking for camp at night. We found a pretty nice place. We're just getting set up and we're gonna go to bed. So last night, just found this small lake. We're here in Mississippi, and we have a pretty decent spot for us to stay. So this was our spot last night. Not too bad. We're just leaving camp and headed north. We just have a few more miles of dirt road until we hit pavement. Well, that's going to conclude our trip across the U.S., the southern route. Just going to drop off the kids in Missouri and head home.